Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and opening settings now. Make sure battery is above 20% so you won't be interrupted. Once done, open settings and use the search bar to jump to About Phone or Software information. This saves time. You need to locate the build number or version entry because that triggers developer mode. Tap the right field repeatedly. You will see a countdown that explains why the system requires multiple taps to prevent accidental enabling. You continue by tapping the build number 7 times. You should see you are X steps away from being a developer. This step prevents accidental activation, which is why the phone asks for confirmation. When prompted, enter your PIN, pattern, or password to confirm you own the device. Once confirmed, go back to the main settings screen and look for developer options, often under additional settings, so you can proceed to actual developer controls without delay. You finish by switching developer options on and enabling specific features like USB debugging if you need ADB access. Make changes one at a time and test, because many options affect performance and security. This is why caution matters. If developer options do not appear, reboot the phone first. If that fails, update Realme UI and repeat the taps. As a troubleshooting tip, clear settings cache or temporarily remove screen locks and re-enable them before repeating the process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.